2 wheels or 4 wheels? This is the question. In this video, I'm going to show you which car I choose here in the Emirates to bring my motorcycle in a motocross track, or to go around in the desert, or for my daily use. This is my Ford F-150. It's an amazing car. It's a new model with a 3.5 liter engine with an incredible power, 450 horsepower. This grants me an incredible safety and easy driving, not riding, because riding is a motorcycle. An easy driving in the desert, make me safety with the 4 wheels in all conditions. I never was in trouble. Oh yes, the feeling in driving, it's absolutely crazy, because you have to take attention to to open too much the wide, because I was 100 km/h and you don't know how you can reach that speed so easily. You have 450 horsepower under your seat. I got a lot of crazy gadgets. Look at that. This is amazing, because here in Emirates the temperature is really hot. As we say, we have the barbecue season. So this gives us the chance to have a very cold and comfortable habitat. Another crazy gadget that I found, it's the seat cooler. I never see that. I have to come here in Emirates to find something like that. But I thought it was something stupid, but it's not so stupid. I feel really comfortable with the ice in the fridge. Before entering in the deep sand, it's better if we move to the 4-wheel and we switch off the traction control. ¡Hasta luego, compañeros!